Sternoclavicular joint. Although sa yun lang ang joint, if you know the book, same name mo siya. Just name the two most mali siya. Sternoclavicular joint ba? Okay. Then between the clavicle and the acromion, so acromioclavicular joint. Okay. Between the glenoid cavity or fossa and the head of the humerus. Glenohumeral joint. O, di ba? Okay. At the level sa elbow. Between the humerus and the ulna, or between the trochlea and trochlear nerve. So you have your humero-ulnar joint. Oh. And then between the capitula of the head of the radius, you have your humero-radial joint. Okay siya. Okay na. Okay. Then, humero-radial joint. Okay. Then here, between the radius and the ulna, you have again two joints. That's your radio-ulnar joint. Your radio-ulnar joint. Basta mutingog yung joint, radio din na siya. Ulnar, radio man siya. Okay, radio-ulnar joint. Okay, remove your radio. So, you have one on the proximal or the superior. So, we call this part now as the between the head of the radius and the radial notch. So, we call this joint now as the superior or proximal radio-ulnar joint. Superior or proximal radio-ulnar joint. This one is more found below. So we call this your inferior radio-ulnar or your distal radio-ulnar joint.
So sir, wala yung radio-ulnar joint ang answer.
Yeah, because this is superior or inferior. Kana?
Ulnar joint sir.
Radio-ulnar joint. Kana? Okay, there's another joint here that exists between your radius and the proximal row, the carpal bone. So we call this joint now your radiocarpal joint. The radiocarpal joint. And then you still have a joint between the proximal row of the carpal bone and the distal carpal row, the carpal bone. We call the joint now as the mid-carpal joint. The mid-carpal. Mid means middle. So between the carpal, so mid-carpal joint. I don't know to mention it. So between the proximal row of distal row, we call this the mid-carpal joint. Okay. Then between the distal carpal bone and the bases of the metacarpal, so we call that now as the carpometacarpal joint. The carpometacarpal. CMC. But we don't want you to write CMC Cebu Medical Center. You don't want you to write CMC. We want you to write the carpo, the whole word para kibong mo sa CMC. Inig exam. So carpo metacarpal joint. Okay. And then here, between the metacarpal bone and the proximal phalanges, we call the joint now as your metacarpophalangeal joint. Metacarpophalangeal joint. Between the metacarpal and the proximal phalanges. So again, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. Then next, for your second, third, fourth, fifth fingers, ayun na ang thumb. You have just what we call between the proximal phalanges and the middle phalanges, we call that joint now as the proximal interphalangeal joint. So from the word interphalangeal means between two phalanges. So since you have the proximal and the middle phalanx, so another joint na form, we call that now as the proximal interphalangeal joint, because you still have another joint there na interphalangeal that is found between the middle and distal. We call that joint now as the distal interphalangeal joint. DIP or distal interphalangeal joint. Okay, then you have a joint there at the level of the thumb. So we just call the joint now as the interphalangeal joint. IP joint of the top. Walay PIP o PIP sa thumb because you only have two phalanges.